So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Yesbank share. So people who have invested in Yesbank, so they're having many doubts regarding Yesbank. So why the stock has started increasing? So we know that earlier Yesbank, whenever it used to give any upper circuit, we have seen only 5% upper circuit. So today we know that even the upper circuit is also being changed, and also we'll try to find out three main reasons why Yesbank stock has started gaining the momentum, and also the targets that we have discussed in earlier videos almost 1 month back also when we discussed the quarter results, and also we discussed some changes that are going to take place within the bank. So we know that the bank has been considerably improving on regular basis, so good things started happening for it. So that's why even the company, even though it has sustained the levels without any further breakdown. So now we'll discuss what are the main reasons why Yesbank started increasing, and then we'll switch over to the volume analysis followed by technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we know that Yesbank, since the past few days, we have seen some good positive movement. So what is the main reason? So we know that Yesbank has started entering into a large cap community where we will see Yesbank as a large cap stock. So what is the main benefit? So whenever any stock enters large cap, so we know many people who are new to stock market, or many people who actually are not risky but safe investors, they prefer large cap stocks. So that is one reason that the liquidity, whether it may be the people investments or whether it may be other institutions like our favorites mutual fund houses. So whenever we invest in any stock, okay, whether it may be Reliance Industries, whether it may be HDFC Bank, so we know that they have good quality mutual fund houses. So that gives us a confidence that yes, we can also invest because mutual funds are focusing more on them. So in this particular bank as well, since it has entered the large cap community, so we know that the mutual fund houses they morely focus on the stocks which are in large cap. So large cap is main attraction to mutual fund houses. So that is one reason, and also in the next coming years, so if Yesbank maintains that large cap hold, then definitely mutual fund houses will add this particular stock, which is again a boosting positive outcome. Okay, so these are the two main reasons so the why the stock has been rising. So upper circuit change as well as entering into large cap. So not only these particular stock but also like Adani Enterprises, Pidilite Industries, Hindustan Aeronautics, so they may also switch into the large cap community, which is the report provided by ICICI Securities. Okay, so I think you're able to understand. So earlier also when we discussed about Yesbank, we discussed many positive news. It is bound by positive news, whether the payment of loans to SBI, so everything has been going in a good fashion. So that's why without any further downtrend, it has maintained that levels. Okay, so now we'll do the volume analysis and then we'll switch over to the technical charts. Okay, quickly, if you see the basic shareholding pattern of Yesbank, so already we have discussed that. So just I am showing you that public is also having very good holding of almost 40%. And what are the changes that happen in September quarter? So we can see FIIs as well as FPIs have increased. So you can see the change from 1.66% to 11.16%. So this is the main reason what I was discussing. So FIIs means financial institutions. So they have started increasing. So they have started increasing. It has entered into large cap. So mutual fund houses also will start focusing. So definitely it is bound by positive news. So that is what has been reflected in the share price. Okay. So increasing in that manner in the September 20 quarter is also very good. So if you see the overall historical pattern of FIIs holding in Yesbank, so you can see earlier So we know it is a top quality bank. Earlier it was top. After certain issues, we know that it has become a completely most neglected stock. But after the management change, after the changes that happened, so you can see from 1.7, so directly it has jumped to 11.2%. So you can see the improvement change. Okay, so that's why I was telling, hold this particular stock, but don't do any sort of selling. So fluctuations will be present, so volatility is common. So today also it has given 9%, that is, sorry, 10% upper circuit, but again it is fluctuating. So 6%, 5% movement will be present, but you should not have any panic situation and exit. Okay, so hold it, hold patiently. Anything takes time, so patience only is key for the wealth generation. Okay, so if we see the volume analysis, so on December 7th, so yesterday, you can see the volume analysis. So little bit of traded quantity was present, followed by deliverable quantities. So deliverable quantities have remained flat a little bit as compared to weekly as well as monthly averages. So that is not a big deal. So the movement and the deliveries that are increasing on regular basis is the major concern. So which is increasing on day-to-day basis. So that is why we have been discussing in earlier videos as well. So do volume analysis on regular basis. So find out how much deliverable quantity is being happening and how much traded quantity is being taking place, so that you will understand whether intraday, that is trading, is happening more or more shares are being added into demat account. So that is one thing. So traded quantity increases, but you should not have any panic situation and do selling. So hold it. So holding is one good strategy. Okay, if you see the returns that it has provided in a short span of time, also you can see almost 16.33% returns 1 month, 39.02% returns 3 months, you can see 21.28% returns. So it has not started its journey right now, so still further is there. So what is the level where you can enter if you have not invested? So that we'll discuss now. Okay, so before that, see what the indicators are suggesting. So clearly you can see MACD has given a bullish crossover. After that, if you see RSI as well as money flow index, so you can see they are in little bit of overbought region. But remember one thing, so overbought region doesn't imply that stock should come down. So just it is a normal assumption that the stock has approached the overbought region, nothing but excess buying has happened. So it may either continue till 80, 90. From there we may see some little bit of pullback, and again that buying will come. So volume always will be present. So if you see the market depth as well of Yesbank, so clearly you will understand how the volume fluctuations are present. Okay, so you need to hold it. So now we'll discuss the levels. So if you see Yesbank current price, so you can see currently it is trading near 16.65 rupees level. And if you see the market depth, so if you see market depth also, you are seeing almost 51.21% selling is present, and you can see 48.79% buying is also present. So both sides tough competition is there, but you need to understand that buying again will happen. So whatever the downfall you will see will be temporary. So again buying will be happening. So volume is always present. So today high also you can see 17.30. So the upper circuit is also changed to 10%. So that is also confirmed. So people are having many doubts why not 5% and why it has changed to 10%. So upper circuit has also been changed. So these are the main reasons why the stock has started moving upwards. So circuit change also is one important reason. You need to remember that. So that time also stock start showing some momentum, and also entry into large cap is also the reason why it has gone upwards. So now we'll discuss the levels. Okay, so if you see the levels, so this was the particular level from where we have been discussing about Yesbank. So later we have seen some flat movement, again breakout. Again currently you're seeing some major resistance. So what is that particular level? What is that resistance? So clearly you can see 17 rupees. Okay, 17 rupees and 17.5. Okay, so that is the resistance for that. So today if again it closes with upper circuit, it's definitely confirming that it is closing above the resistance. So that is again a bullish indication. So right now it's currently fluctuating, so it is your opportunity to add it at 16 rupees level or 15.95 rupees level. So if you want to add it, add it. Okay, again if you if it closes above the resistance, then again it may be some bullish. Okay, try to understand that. So clearly you can understand here 17 rupees is the resistance. Okay, so now currently it is fluctuating between 16.7 16 rupees. So if you want to add it, you can add it. And remember one thing, that you need to add for long term. So don't do any sort of short term trading, because again these levels you may or may not get. So that depends. We can't predict that, but it is better to hold for long term, because it is we can say improving. So it is improving on regular basis. So much more future is there. Okay, hope you're understanding that. So if you have further any doubts, join the Telegram group, or also you can mention in the comment section so that I'll clarify that. So until then, take care. Bye bye.